Again, I just found this place today. Look at that. Garlic rib. Wow. I give this a solid 8/8. Make sure you go check them out. First ever food review in a delivery room. Sknny Chef out. Spin off. We're gonna put it on here. Oh, that looks delicious. Look at that. Ha. I'm giving this like a 9.1. You guys gotta try the quesadilla. Make sure you get extra meat in it with the carrot habanero. I mean, unbelievable. Wow. They're definitely worldwide famous. You're in the Stoughton area, make sure you try Town Spa, Roxanne's. All right, I'm giving this 8.7. All right, guys, have a good day. I think the wings, they got some good flavor. I like the barbecue sauce. It could have a little more. But I would definitely give this like a 7.6. So go check them out in Brockton. The wings are good. The food's always consistent. All right, guys. Go. You ready? One more. I give that like a 9.1. Make sure you get down, get the nachos, get the guac, get the carrot habanero. Boom. It's got to be 2 bites. If you can't make it down there in Stoughton to Roxanne's, just Uber Eats it. Unbelievable. Maybe I'm biased. I give it a 10 out of 10. Steve's Pizza. You heard it first. Layla?
Steve's Pizza the best. Don't go anywhere but Steve's Pizza.
You heard it. Bam. That's a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna get the carnitas. Ooh. Let's try this. Again, I just found this place today. Look at that.
Yes, the Roxanne's closed on Sundays.
Anything else?
Nope. And make sure to subscribe more.
All right. Have a good day. Ooh, nice pickling right here. Look at the colors. Look at that. Oh, let me test it out for you guys. It's delicious. Has a little kick. Packed with flavor. It's now on the line. Ask for it on your next taco, burrito, on the side, sample. Let us know, okay? We'll see you soon. Again, look at that. Ooh, it dripped. You're welcome. You have to get down here and try this. Oh, look at that.
I got a bowl with corn, sour cream, guac, tomato, and white rice.
Whew. All right, Daddy got some nachos. Let's try it. Let's dig in, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ooh. Nachos with some guac. That's what I got. Look at that. How good?
So good.
All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.
It's Quesadilla. Here we go. Check this out. Woo. This shit's nuts. Look at this. Oh. Look at that, huh? Okay. We're gonna dip it in some hot sauce, some sour cream, sriracha. We got corn and pico on it. Oh, here we go. Wow. Seriously.